What you can do is you can easily work around with set settings inside of Microsoft Outlook. So in order to work around with set settings, you can go around under View and then you can go around under View Settings right here. So once you go around under View option, you need to go around under General, and over here you can see that Search is an option over here. So right now the search scope is all folders when searching from the inbox right here. So all of the folders is actually searched out. You can also go around and select only the current folder as well. So not other sections, like not other emails and everything else is searched. You can also include the deleted items when you search right here, or uncheck it to not include it right here. You can also show the top 3 most relevant results as well. So if I were to go around and let's say, for example, say hello right here, then you can see that that is what you have. It is searching out for a certain section right here. So you can go around and then under the setting right here, you can go around, include the deleted items, and so top 3 most relevant images right here, that are not images but most results right here, and select all folder. And once you do that, what happens is that it simply goes around and changes out the result, and you get the top 3 results as you can see, and you get more results from other sections as well. So that is how you can go around and utilize the set settings inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.